This is another example for the application of the simplified trajectory equation, and for that matter it's a very simple question only. There is a point P on the trajectory which has coordinates marked as x, a. Y coordinate is a and x coordinate is x itself, whereas that x is a function of the required range r, and that given by x equal to r by 2 minus a. So we substitute the coordinates of P in the trajectory equation and we get a quadratic equation in R. Positive root of the quadratic equation is our required answer. But when we work out, we are getting a certain trigonometric function for it, trigonometric expression for R, whereas it can be converted to another simpler form which is explained in the solution. So as mentioned, is a simple equation and simple solution. Okay. Thank you.